Hi there, I'm Roshan from Spotzee. Spotzee is a multi-channel marketing software. We recently built an SMTP email proxy which allows you to connect to multiple SMTP accounts from different providers, including Gmail and Outlook and Amazon SES or any other ones that you can think of. And we've got native integrations with Gmail and Outlook. So what is it? Imagine you run a courier/delivery company with hundreds of cargo vans, each with different mileage limits and different strengths. Instead of your staff manually choosing vans and watching their limits, you have a central dispatcher. You send parcels to the dispatcher and it automatically chooses the best van for each route, respecting that van's limits so it never gets overused or banned, switches instantly to a backup van if one of them hits its limit, so delivery never stops, keeps each driver's real identity on the parcel label so that the recipients can see a real person and not a generic company alias. So how does this map to Spotzee? The dispatcher is Spotzee's single SMTP HTTP endpoint that all your tools connect to. The vans and drivers are your Gmail and Outlook and Amazon SES and other inbox accounts with their per second, per minute, per hour, and per day quotas. Each of those providers can have their own quotas. The routing rules are your smart quotas, senders, sender rotation, and group-based sending, separate providers for prospecting versus follow-up, for example. And the control room dashboard is real-time analytics, showing which provider sent what, quota usages, retries, and failures. In simple terms, Spotzee Email Proxy is a central dispatcher for your emails. Cold emails, marketing emails, transactional emails, all kinds of types. You can basically connect all your email providers once, send to Spotzee SMTP or API, and it automatically rotates senders, respects per account limits, and failover backups. So you can safely send millions of emails without worrying about suspensions, cross-quota limits, or having a backup fault-tolerant setup for emails. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. And let's start by signing up for a free account. Here's our website. Let's go start free, and you can sign up for a free account. Let me quickly put in the details. Put it today's date. That will send through a verification code to the emails that you have chosen. I'll put that code in through. Land me on my organization page where I can set up my organization. I can invite new members, but at this stage I'll just click skip. And this will take me to setting up my first project. Projects are like workspaces. They're just an easy way to manage your brands, stores, and companies, whatever the case may be. So I will create a test project and go through the project setup, which is pretty straightforward. Next, choose one of the options. Yep, that all looks good. Create project. And this should take me to the campaigns page, which it did. Let me show you the billing page real quick so you know where to top up when you run out of credits. I go settings, click on billings, and here you can see that you always start off with $1 balance, which is more than enough to send around 10,000 emails. So you should be good for now. I'll go back to projects, click through my test project that I've created, and I will go through tools and click through email proxy. When you're just getting started, you will see a blank state like this. the dashboard shows what's happening with your emails at any given stage. You will see a total number of providers or mailbox accounts that you have, with how many of them are actually active. And this is great if some of those accounts are having issues, you can actually see and sort them out. Lastly, you'll see how many emails have been sent in the last 24 hours. At this moment, obviously none. At the top here, you have a refresh button, which does exactly what it says, refreshes the stats. You will have the providers menu from which you can add groups, you can create or import new accounts. The setup tab is a neat little wizard that it takes you through to setting up your API key so that you can start using the SMTP details. So I'll just click on it. All you have to do is just generate a SMTP password. So that acts like your password. That'll be your username. I'll give you an example of how to use our HTTP API. You can also top up your account credit from here. We also have a way to configure this SMTP proxy with Spotzee. So it allows you to send campaigns directly from Spotzee and it will route through the SMTP proxy. And I can do that just by clicking here. Done. Let me take you to the settings page real quick to show you how the integration has been done. Let me actually go back into my project. Settings, integrations. As you can see, Spotzee has been configured as an SMTP provider, and you can start using the campaigns and the journeys and other features that we have. But we won't dive in those just now. I have switched over to another account to show you how it looks like when the data is populated. So to go back to the email proxy, I can just use Command K and type in email proxy, click enter, and it will land me on this page here. Let me show you how easy it is to add my email accounts. So I'll click on add provider and I can add Microsoft account, but at this stage I'll just add my Google account. Click on Google as in Gmail, connect account, and that should take me to this page. I'm already logged in, so I'll just click on that. Continue. And we just want to be able to send emails on your behalf, so I'll just click on that checkbox, continue. I have successfully added my Google account, as you can see down here. Let me start by moving my Google account to a specific group that I've already set up, which would be my Roshan personal account. So I click on here, edit, and change the group to Roshan personal. That group has X delivery route as 43 set down here, and I have a post request that I've set up down here with the to name, to email, from name, from email, subject, body, plain text, and custom headers that lets me route it through specifically my Gmail account. So I'm going to click on send, and that has been queued. So let's go back to the Spotzee tab and click on refresh. Looks like our email stats have been updated. I'll go into logs, and I can see that it has been sent successfully through my Gmail account. I'm going to have a quick look whether the email has come through, and it has. So it's come through from my Gmail account. Sender is roshanrajan@gmail, and it's come through passing all the good stuff. And that's pretty much it. That's essentially how you would connect up multiple providers. You can also import providers in bulk. You can do that by just downloading our template here and just dragging and dropping your providers here, and that will bulk import all the accounts for you. That's it. Thank you very much for checking us out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our Spotzee site. We've got a live chat, and you can contact us through this page as well. Yeah, thank you.